Hello and I welcome you to my video classes on concrete technology. In this video we are making continuation part of ready mixed concrete. Myself Vishwanath Avati, and we will see the discussions, content of discussion. Here we are mainly discussing property, advantages, disadvantages, applications. So now we will go for properties of RMC. So due to the use of admixtures as well as the use of some chemical admixture as well as mineral admixtures, we are getting the good workability. It is an improved workability because of use of mineral admixtures as well as chemical admixtures. Next, to use of mineral admixtures and other some admixtures, we are getting good strength. Why? Because we are using the super plasticizers. When we use the super plasticizers, water requirement is reduced. So when water cement ratio is less, definitely we are getting the good strength. When you have a good strength, then durability also increases. So even because of use of chemical chemical admixtures like a air entertaining agent. So what is the purpose of air entertaining agent? To create the air bubbles. When we are creating the air bubbles, then we are getting good durability for freezing it is what mainly related to freezing and throwing, right? It is one of the a damaging process, right? It is mainly related to expansion of concrete and contraction of concrete, right? So due to less temperature, concrete contracts, and because of increase in the temperature, concrete expands. That is what one of the problem for durability. So due to the air entertaining agent, we can reduce and we can get a good durability for expansion and contraction. So next we will go for advantages. So many advantages are there. Here some list of few advantages are there, and we will discuss one by one. First one is significantly reduces the cost by reducing the material wastage. So it is what waste will be reduced, and due to the reduced in the waste, total cost of the concrete is reduced. Next, it reduces the labor requirement. As we know already, concrete is prepared. Only it is what placing of concrete. So there is no need of labors for preparation of concrete because already prepared concrete is there, right? So that what is a less laborious. It eliminates storage space for basic materials. For example, if you are using normal concrete, then we have to store the aggregate, we have to store the cement, and even we have to store the chemical admixtures and mineral admixtures as well as water, right? So we can reduce space for these kind of materials. It reduces the production cost of concrete. It provides concrete with a better quality due to specialized operations. So here it is what to prepare the concrete, specialized operation is made because plant means separate storage will be there, and due to the specialized operation of preparation, it gives the good better quality. It gives better quality. It eliminates manual errors. Manual errors, we know, for example, if you want to make any calculation, if you are making manual calculation, we make some mistakes. So here due to the automatic machinized, so here also errors will come, but as compared to error we can reduce because it is automatic management. Next is mass production of concrete is possible. If you want to produce a huge quantity, even we can make by easily. Why? Because it is automatically and it is prepared with the machines. By using RMC, speed in the construction can be achieved. If you want to construct a very faster, then we can make faster construction. Why? Because concrete is prepared in some plant and it will be distributed or transported to site. So that is what it is independent, and concrete supply can made with the vehicles. And if you want to make faster construction, then there will be a one by one vehicles will come and you can make very speed construction activities. Next is water cement ratio can be easily maintained. Water cement ratio. Why? Because it is what automatically management of release of water will be there, and proper weighed quantity of cement are we are using. So due to this automatic management with the machines, then we can manage proper water cement ratio. And we know what is the importance of cement water ratio, right? It is very important for strength. RMC is extremely useful on congested site or in a road construction. In a road we know it is very traffic. If you have a more traffic, then there is no space for preparation of concrete. So in that place RMC is very useful, and it reduces the space, as well as where we have congested site, there also it avoids the storage space, and it avoids the some other space, and with the small, with the help of vehicle, and even with the help of pumping, so we can make concreting. RMC is eco-friendly because it is produced in licensed plant. Before getting the license, we know what kind of rules and regulations we have to follow. So because of good preparation method, it is eco-friendly. Next is modern construction techniques can be allowed. And for example, nowadays technology is changing from one technique to another technique, and we are going very faster improvement in the technology. That kind of technology also fulfilled by ready mixed concrete. Next is cement is saved and dust caused it is reduced. For example, if you want to store the cement bags, then while taking the cement bags and while mixing the concrete with materials, then it makes some dust, right? So due to the dust formation, some quantity of concrete will be waste. So that can be saved because huge quantity of cement will be stored in a plant, and it is stored in a storage room. So that's what a small wastage can be controlled, and it is saved, and it is also environmental friendly. Why? Because it reduces the dust generated from the cement. Next we will go for disadvantages or some limitations. So actually it is mainly related to disadvantage if you make negligence in the management. Why? Because it is prepared in some plant and it is supplying into site. It is the, if you make any disturbance in between, then it is affect on workability as well as initial setting time, and we will see in detail the transit time from the time of preparation. The transit time from the time of preparation of concrete to delivery site, right? It is mainly related to delivery site and preparation of concrete, right? So will result in a loss of workability. If you make delay, then it causes the loss of workability, and we know if it is loss of workability, then strength will be not properly gained, and due to less strength it may cause damage to the structure, right? So this demands, right, these kind of activities demands the requirement of admixtures to maintain the workability, right? To maintain the workability, then additional admixtures are required, so it increases the some initial cost. And even and because of these kind of activities, right, so additional testing is required at the site. Additional testing is required at the site to know the workability, like a slump test. So slump test is required at the site mainly because to check the workability. Next is traffic during the transit of concrete can result in a setting of concrete. So as I told, if it is a traffic condition is very bad, so then it makes the initial setting time and it affect on the setting time of the concrete. We know what you mean by initial setting time, final setting time. For that, if it is traffic is more, then more delay will be causes, and more delay it makes the setting time, right? And it mainly affect on unexpected traffic problem, and some other general problems like the framework and placing arrangement must be prepared in advance. Like it is what in advance, like framework and placing arrangement has to be prepared in advance. And other some general disadvantages or limitation is initial cost is higher than the normal concrete. Why? Because it required chemicals, it required admixtures, mineral admixtures, chemical admixtures, and it required vehicles, technology, instruments, right? So this, due to this, initial cost is high. Skilled workforce is required, not normal, even if for this skilled force is required. So next we will go for applications of ready mixed concrete. So here many applications are there. Ready mixed concrete is used for many project like dam, road, bridges, tunnels, canals. You can see here RMC is used for foundations, concreting of foundation, even for building like column, slab, right? And even for highway like pavement, it is highway related to pavement, bridges, right? Walkway like a footpath, retaining wall, right, to retain the soil in a landslide area or hilly areas, airports, tunnels, even for canal, and file foundation, water tank, shear walls, curb means what? It is in between pavement to footpath. So in between footpath path and main road there will be some vertical construction of rising, right? We have a road and we have to raise the footpath some height, right? To raise that height we have to construct the curb, and even for curb construction also ready mix concrete is used, and even for dam construction and power plant, like no coolers. So here you can see cooler of thermal power plant or any other power plant, right? So even for coolers they are using ready mixer concrete, right? So thank you for watching this video.